Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Hila here and it's Saturday, it's hair day, so I've got rollers in my hair that I'm letting to dry naturally, but I just wanted to do a quick video post today because I've done something that I have never done before, a very ambitious attempt at doing something in a scale that I have never attempted before. And that's because number one, I actually made promises and people are involved, specifically little people like that. So I have a lot of kids' sewing plans, which I have to try and get done within the next few days. So I'm just going to show you the sewing plans and the fabrics that we have. And yeah, stay tuned until after the break to see if I've managed to get them done. It's Saturday today. I'm hoping to get them done by the end of the day on Sunday. Very ambitious. So we're going to have to see how that goes.
Peekaboo!
You have to take the pins out first.
Wow.
Okay, so I've got the patterns and we are moving up into the attic space and I'll show you the patterns that we have. My hair is now out of rollers, but don't have time to style it. Okay, we're in the sewing cave now and I'm going to show you the sewing patterns that I have. So quick background to that. We are actually going camping to Normandy in a couple of weeks in France. And in a moment of hubris, I made some big promises, outlandish promises that I was going to create like a summer wardrobe for my girls. In preparation for the trip, we're going to be seeing all of the landing, D-Day landing beaches and stuff like that. So the kids are really excited and I got excited. I got carried away and I made these promises and now I have to make good on the promises. So I literally just spent the last 45 minutes tracing out the patterns, picking out the fabrics that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to show you those. So first off, we need some leggings because it's been 18 months and several growth spurts and they definitely do need some leggings now because they're just getting to that point now where the leggings kind of like they show the bum crack, so they always have to be wearing them with long t-shirts. So we're going to be using a pattern from Spring 2020 Ottobre. They've got a leggings pattern in there, and it's just a one panel pattern. Pattern's already been traced out, and it's going to be made in a yellow jersey. So it's a really nice yellow viscose jersey, so it will be quite nice and cool. And the idea was to match it with this flamingos jersey fabric, and this one is going to be made into a dress from Ottobre. The dress is from Ottobre Summer 2016, this issue here, and it's a very simple jersey dress. That's the line drawing for it. Let's see if I can show you a picture of it. There's the picture of it right there. So I think that that's going to be suitable for it. So pattern pieces have been traced. And then finally, so this is an outfit in itself with the yellow leggings and the dress / top. And then from here, these viscose print fabrics, one's going to be for each girl. They've already chosen which ones they want. I got these from Jex Fabrics years ago, so I'm glad to be using these. And these are to make a lovely summer dress from Ottobre 3 2020. So that's the summer issue. Hang on. All right. Okay, so it's going to be this lovely summer dress here. By the way, all of these patterns and fabric choices have been approved by the people who are going to be wearing them. So fingers crossed, I'm going to spend the rest of the day cutting out the fabrics and sewing them up, and I hope that I will be finished by tomorrow. So stay tuned until after the break to find out what my progress is for tomorrow, and you'll also get to see if my hair is still going to be looking sleek. Oh, I'm wearing my Dare and Do Melly Low top, which was made in a Liberty print fabric, and I'm wearing my self-drafted tiered skirt. I'm gonna have to start off with this one because the fabrics are black background and I've got black thread in my overlocker and I don't feel like changing the thread just now, so I'm gonna start off with the dresses. I did it. I did it, guys. It's Sunday. I've been working at it. I've been beavering away, hyper focused for the last about 4 hours or so. And I did it. I sewed everything that I promised my girls I was going to sew. So I am a happy, happy, happy camper. Yeah, that's the power of YouTube for you right there. You know, it makes you accountable, and also the power of uttering your promises to people that you really shouldn't be letting down. So I feel very happy. I feel very pumped. However, I cannot wait to get back to sewing for myself. Yeah, I'm not gonna allow myself to get carried away with hubris again, and I'm gonna be a bit more considered and not do panic sewing just before a holiday trip. So I'm just going to show you the clothes there. And by the way, I have to turn off the comments because my kids are in the video and YouTube is a bit icky about videos with kids in them. And since my channel normally isn't a kids channel anyway, it does create some issues. But if you do want to comment or if you want to ask any questions in particular about Ottobre or anything like that, just head on over and ask at any one of my other videos, one of my more recent videos, because I do try and keep up with the comments over there. Okay, guys, I hope that you found the video useful, that you enjoyed it, you found it inspiring, entertaining, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up below. If you haven't already, do subscribe. I put out sewing related content pretty regularly because I'm crazy about sewing. I just love all kinds of sewing. Until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye. Oh, separately, I am wearing a Giselle maxi dress made in a cotton lawn that I bought from B&M Fabrics. I made this 5 years ago now. This is a 5-year-old dress. I'm just going to show you the rest of it because I love it. I tend to wear it on hot days, like today is a really hot day.